Impressive. Sit down, Narendra. But tell me, who was talking?
Everybody pointed at Narendra.
I don't believe this. He was the only one who answered correctly. Now, all of you remain standing. This is your punishment.
Narendra also joined his friends and stood up.
Narendra, my dear child, sit down. Why are you standing?
No, Guruji, I must also stand up because it was I who was telling them a story and they all were listening to me.
I am impressed with your fruitfulness.
Born into an aristocratic Bengali caste family of Calcutta, Vivekananda was inclined towards spirituality. He was highly influenced by his Guru Ramakrishna, from whom he learned that all living beings were an embodiment of the divine self. Therefore, service to God could be rendered by service to humankind.
ही जीना है, अपने लिए जीना पशु जीवन है। जिस स्वामी ने हमसे कहा था उसका नाम था विवेकानंद,
जिसने हमें समझाया कि ईश्वर हमारे ही भीतर है और इंसानियत सबसे बड़ा धन, उसका नाम था विवेकानंद। आओ मित्रों, हम एक हों
और अपनी दुर्बलता से दूर हो।
हम सब मिलकर एक नए समाज
और एक नए भारत का निर्माण करें।
यही हमारा सच्चा नमन होगा भारत के उस महान संत को जिसका नाम था स्वामी विवेकानंद, जिसका